Alright, today we're going to learn about the Mosfet driver circuit in BYD's charger. First, there are 3 signal lines coming out from the CPU, and since the CPU uses open drain output, an external pull-up resistor is required. The signal line is connected through a 5-volt supply and this resistor. Then the signal passes through a 100 ohm resistor, which serves as a current limiting resistor, and then through a filter capacitor. This signal is then sent to our Schmitt trigger, which can amplify the signal, improve its load driving capability, and enhance noise immunity. After the signal is output, it is sent through 2 300 ohm resistors to an optocoupler for isolation. The internal circuit of this optocoupler is shown here. You can see that it is an inverting optocoupler, and it does not have the ability to output a high level. Therefore, after passing through the optocoupler, 2 pull-up resistors must be connected at this point, with VCC connected to the output pin through the resistors. Once the signal is isolated by the optocoupler, it is then sent to an inverter, also known as a NOT gate. Since the optocoupler inverts the signal, it is necessary to invert it again. After that, the signal is sent to our driver chip, which then passes through a 10 ohm 3-stage drive resistor and goes directly to our 3-stage circuit. On top, there is a 5.1 ohm resistor and a diode that can be used for fast turn-off. Finally, there's also a transistor here. What is its function? Feel free to discuss in the comments section.